Come test drive this 2020 Honda Civic. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.